My loves, I'm delighted to introduce you to this lovely little folding mom card. We've got this little wallet, we've got these little flapping butterflies here. This is what it looks like on the back. And we can slide this card out of its wallet. We can pop this open. We've got a lot of lovely writing space there. And then we've got this lovely fold out mom card. Our butterflies, we can fold the wings up a little to make this 3D effect. And there we go, we get this lovely standing card. We're going to make this in a minute. I just want to show you the lovely item that this matches. This is my Precious Memories folding box. Let's take this thing out of here for a moment, show you this lovely fold flat box mechanism. I love that. In the back, or the lid of the box, we've got this lovely folding folio that's got some gorgeous cards, some note cards in it. That sits in there like that. And in the box itself, we've got this lovely little folio with its little pockets and tags. So there you go, for Mother's Day and beyond, we've got these lovely matching items. So you've got a gorgeous gift there, and you've got this rather special card. Let's go ahead and make this card. Here we are then, my loves, bits and bobs cut out. I'm reverse printing this sheet here with the backing sheet that you get in the kit, and I'm not reverse printing the other page. And I've also got these lovely little butterflies down here. Right, let's make a start. We're going to take our card and we're going to fold it. Now, am I going to do this with my scoring board, or am I going to do it by hand? I'll do it with my board. So we've got the O to score where it meets the M on both sides there, like that. And we've got our M, our O, and our M to pop on. Now, if you're cutting this out with a Cricut machine, don't forget to cut out the middles of both of your O's. I forgot on one of mine. So there we go. I've got a little bit of inking around the edge of my M's there. I'm going to glue my M's and my O to the card. Lovely little quick make, this one, for Mother's Day and beyond, for our American friends, because of the om in mom. There's my O going on. I don't think there's a right way up for this. Yes, there is. You've got more on the base here, more of the pattern on the base. So pop that one in place, and your M there like that. Position that in the centre. And we're going to fold this, but we'll give it a minute to dry. You've got this card, and this is just a beautiful, beautiful folding card to go in the little wallet along with the actual folding card itself. So that folds, isn't that absolutely beautiful? Look at that design. You've got that one on the back there. And you've got your little wallet, and your little wallet has got two folds. You've got one where the white tab meets the colour, and you've got one in the centre of the two panels there. So this is a tab to give you a little bit of girth and width in the pocket, and we don't need any on the bottom, which is why I haven't got one. So glue your tab, and then you're going to glue along the bottom of your card there up to that middle point. Your card, your little envelope, your little wallet. If you want to pop a little thumb cut in there, you can. You've got a space for writing on that side, and you've got mom on the front there. Look, it's so pretty. Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous things. You're welcome. And I'm going to fold this now. I'm going to fold the O behind the first M, and then I'm going to bring the second M back in front. Now I'm hoping that this is going to fit in here, because it hasn't gone quite square. It's me and my scoring is just a little bit off. And to that end, you might like to do this, fold this by hand. I'm going to have to manually adjust this one a little bit now. Just a little. There we go. Look, it's perfect. So you've got your mom there. It stands up really nice. Really nice. Right nice. There we go. And you've got this lovely writing space on the back here as well. And that's going to pop in your little wallet alongside your card. And if you want to pop that inside so you've got this secret little reveal, you can do that too. And I think that's a really nice way to go. That'll go in your envelope like that. And this is what you're presenting as your Mother's Day card. But we haven't finished. No, we haven't, because we've got the butterflies, and we've got a lot of butterflies. And I'm just going to bend my butterflies slightly. Let's open this out so I can make some design choices and decide where I'm going to stick these. Because I'm folding my card, I want to make sure that I don't have any overlapping the folds, but somewhere like that is just lovely. So a little bit of glue just on the centre of my butterfly there. Pop that down. Obviously it'll get squished down when it goes in its little envelope, but we can pop them up again when we open it. And I'm liking these blue ones. They're popping very, oh, look at that. They're popping very nicely on these lovely vintagey muted colours. I might do another one here. Like I say, just be sure you don't overhang your folds when the butterfly is sitting flat. So we'll need to go about there to avoid that fold. And what else have we got? I've got another one. Oh, I like them. I'm going to pop another one here. Have I got any other colours? I've got this kind of beigey one. This little beigey one. He's quite nice there, isn't he? A little bit understated. Pop that on, avoiding the edges. I want it in everything to sit nicely inside. And I think I'll pop one more maybe up here. Is that overkill? Maybe. But I'm doing it. There, and that just looks like it's flying off the edge of that rose there. Very, very nice. Right, I need to give that chance to dry, and I've got two little butterflies left. And of course, I'm going to pop one on the front of my card. So I'll pop that one on there. Doesn't matter if that one's overhanging. There. And I've got another one left, and I think, because that's going to sit here, I might just pop that on there. Look at that, it's beautiful. And that can stick out over the edge as well. Right, I'm going to give me butterflies a minute to dry, and then I'm going to put the thing together and we'll have a look at it. So here we go. Here's the card complete. My glue isn't quite dry yet, so I'm going to be a bit ginger with it. We can slide our card out of the wallet, open up the actual card. We've got lots of writing space on the inside of that card. And then we've got the actual mom card that stands up like that, looks like that from where you are. And our butterflies, we can, once we've got it open, we can just open these a little bit, fold these wings back. My glue's not dry. And we get this lovely 3D effect with that. Now that matches, as you will have seen, my folding treasure box. So if you love this, this is a really nice accompaniment. So you've got this gorgeous card and you've got a gorgeous gift as well. I'll just go with the card, completely up to you. Have loads and loads of fun, my loves, and I will see you next time.